In this video, we'll show you how to build deck footings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content just like this. Thank you. Mark out for the footings. Dig holes for the footings. In our area we need to make it 4 feet, or 1.2 meters deep, to pass the frost line. For our first attempt, we are using a gas-powered earth auger with a 12-inch, or 30 centimeter, bit. The ground is still frozen, so this isn't working. We need to come up with a plan B. We decided to rent a mini digger auger. It still took a little time, but it worked. Remove the remaining loose earth from the holes. Put a building form tube into each hole, leaving the top just above the ground level. Cut rebar into the correct lengths. I'm using fiberglass rebar, which is easy to cut. Mix concrete and fill the building form tubes flush with the top. Insert 3 pieces of rebar into each footing. Insert a steel post support, saddle bracket into each footing. Now that you have the footings in, you can build the deck. You'll find the links for the complete construction of this deck with storage in the description below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest videos. Thank you.